Aiden, help mommy. Please. Oh. Yes? Yes. I remember, you gotta come here. Aiden, help me. Help me, I'm dying. Oh.
Are you sure you don't want to go get you some more?
I
don't
even want no babies. Why? What the hell? Like, come on. Oh.
Are they always this bad?
That first day's the worst day, Mom. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasha, only Natasha when I'm in trouble. And in this chapter, I just wanna express how I feel about this thing that happens to my body. Once a month, that really puts me on my ass. So, as you know, I've had the day off. A lot of running around, a lot of things to do. I wanted to apologize for my bustedness, but like, this is it. Okay, so I have my dad's phone right now. My parents, you know, in the previous clip, they came in and visited me, and they were, you know, talking about whatever as I'm dying. My hair is lovely. And I borrowed his phone, so I can use my phone to record, because I'm really curious as to what's really going on in my body at this time. So in the wonderful World Wide Web, I just typed in what's happening in my body during this time. And menstruation is the first word that pops up. So let's just go into that. It's you know, a lot of people don't like to talk about it, you know, periods. But it's something that all us women have, and it's inevitable, and you know, it freaking sucks, and I think we should just really band together and try to get through it. But yeah, anyway, so menstruation is bleeding from the vagine. Check. Got that down. Happens about once a month. Check. Also very accurate. As a normal part of the menstrual cycle. It's normal that I'm just bleeding out of my vagine. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. During this cycle, your hormones make the lining of your uterus become thicker, getting ready in case of pregnancy. This is where I want to stop. Google real quick. Okay, personally, Lord, I have zero intentions on having any children ever. So what's happening to me right now, I'm not mad. It's not necessary. It's like, Some of us are like, good, like, we good. This shit sucks. So I'm just gonna read a couple of the signs and the symptoms. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good cramp. I feel like there's like a Fight Club session going on in my lower abdomen right now. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Besides the bleeding, the other signs and symptoms of menstruation may include, but not limited to, headache. Wow. Acne. Fantastic. Yay. Bloating. Always. Pains in the lower abdomen. Check. Tiredness. I'm in bed and it's 5 o'clock. Mood changes. I cried earlier for no reason. Food cravings. I just told my mom that I really wanted pasta salad. So she got home from work and she went back out to get me pasta salad because I need it. I just need it in my life. And first day's the worst day, folks. If you get past the first day, smooth sailing. Not really. This fucking sucks. This is the worst. And I say that like you can't, like, oh yeah, you can't get it. Like, it's gonna skip your whole generation. No. It's coming for you. Just watch out, because it's coming. Food cravings. Pasta salad right now. Breast soreness. I'm actually surprised that I'm laying on my stomach right now. They hurt. And last but not least, my favorites. Diarrhea. I have been on the toilet all day. What the hell? Like, Eve? What the hell, bro? Like, all of us? Like, you're just gonna ruin it for all of us? Ugh, this is horrible. I can only imagine what childbirth feels like. I'm just, all over the place. I'm kind of cranky. I'm kind of tired. I want to be held, but I want to be left alone. I just... Nothing, and I mean nothing, is satisfying me in any way. Nothing to drink. I'm hungry. I need an adult. I need an adult. I'm in my mind. This is just the worst. You know, it just freaking sucks. Like, I gotta go to work tomorrow. Like this in pain. Heaven forbid I freaking sneeze. Oh, God. Bro. Get out the shot, bro. Heaven forbid. Okay, go on. I sneeze. I tell you what, if I sneeze, kneel down, anything like that, it's gonna be a bloody mess. It's gonna be fucking horrible. So that's definitely happening. If you see me just wearing nothing but black pants all this week, mind your business. It ain't for you. And for those who I have hung out with so often that we are all synced up, I apologize. Because it's coming for you. There, Yogi. There's nothing that can be done for you. This shit sucks. I just want to crawl in the fetal position and cry, but I also have no tears left because I've cried earlier today. So, yeah. That's all I really wanted to talk about. I just wanted to vent because it's been a rough day. Me and Kotex are going to be really good friends for the next 4 days. Oh. Until next chapter. Thank you so much for tuning in to this rant. If you happen to like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You guys are awesome. It's okay to not be okay, and periods suck.